This niche is trending right now and it's not saturated yet. AI room renovations, AI interior transformations, epoxy floor videos, cinematic before and afters, they are going viral right now. Creators with brand new accounts are pulling serious views from this. And the reason is simple. People don't just watch these videos, they stay. If you've been trying to create these AI videos but everything feels complicated, expensive, or overwhelming, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a full AI video workflow you can use for free step by step. Stay till the end because once you understand this workflow, you can use it for YouTube videos, Reels, TikToks, ads, literally anything. Most people get wrong with AI video. They jump straight into video generation without planning. That's why their videos look random, glitchy, and inconsistent. What I'm about to show you is a structured cinematic workflow. We plan the scenes first. We create a strong base image. Then we animate it step by step. This is how you get smooth, realistic AI videos even for free. The first place we're starting is ChatGPT. I've already placed the main prompt in the comments, so you can copy it directly, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. ChatGPT will give you about 4 to 5 detailed video prompts. These prompts describe camera movement, scene progression, and flow, and we'll use them later. Now, I personally chose to create a modern bedroom, but you can choose anything: a studio, a kitchen, a living space. Once you choose your scene, generate the prompts and save them. Next, we need a base image. In ChatGPT, ask for a prompt of the exact same modern bedroom, but completely empty. Normal floor. Clean, realistic lighting. This image is important because it becomes the foundation for the entire video. Once ChatGPT generates the image prompt, copy it. Now go to Whisk AI. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in here. Choose your aspect ratio and hit generate right here and download the best one. You can also generate your image in Grok AI. Go to Grok AI and sign up once you're in. Click on Imagine, paste your image prompt, make sure image is selected, and choose your aspect ratio. Generate the image and download the one you like best. This is your base frame. Click Imagine again, select Video, choose your aspect ratio, and upload the base image. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your first video prompt, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. Once the video is ready, download it, play it all the way to the end. Pause on the last frame and take a screenshot. This screenshot is what keeps your scenes consistent. Now repeat the exact same process. Upload the screenshot, paste the next prompt, generate the next video and download it. Screenshot the final frame and do this for all the rest of the prompts. By the end, you'll have 4 connected video clips that actually flow. Now open CapCut, create a new project, and upload all 4 videos. Here's what I recommend. Remove the original sound. Add your own music or voiceover. Keep transitions clean and smooth and make sure the order feels natural. This is where you turn AI output into real content. If you've been waiting for a sign to start posting AI content, this is it. Room transformations, epoxy floors, AI renovations, they're simple, scalable, and perfect for beginners. And once you understand this workflow, you can create endless variations without burning out. So don't overthink it. Start clean, start simple, start now.